Hello, you are most welcome to Technical Pathfinder, the Learning Center. In banking series, I include some problems from English language like error detection and fill the blanks. So let's see how they form the problems from these sections. Some direction is given before the problems asking, and after that a passage is there. So in the following passage there are blanks, each of which has been numbered. These numbers are printed below the passage, and against each 5 words are suggested, one of which fits the blank appropriately. So we got the 5 options and we have to choose one which is most suitably used for the fill in the blanks. Before fill in the blanks, we go through the whole passage and try to understand what is the theme of the passage. Invasive pests and weeds can dash. This is the first blank. Country by flying over the border or simply growing gratuitously. So we are discussing here. They are discussing the pests and weeds which are flying towards the country. In such cases, dash their entry is difficult. However, when they land up at airport and dockyards in cargoes of imported grains or with items carried by tourists, the authorities should be able to. So, he is giving the suggestion that these should be able to dash them out. For this reason, countries have animals, plant and health quarantine facilities at all trans-border entry point. So he is giving the fact that due to this reason there is a quarantine facility at every border point. Tanzania, however, seemed to have let its guard dash late, especially with regards to agricultural products which form the bulk of its imports. It is difficult to establish how pests and weeds are entering the country. What is the dash is that there is no institutional mechanism to even probe these invasions. So he is saying that there is no institution mechanism. The concerned ministry has not dashed a single invasion till date. So he is saying about Tanzania that how is the institution mechanism is also not there, and also no concerned ministry is there to tackle these problems. So let's see the paragraph with the statement wise. In first question, invasion pest and weeds can dash country. So dash can be filled by can reach country, can leave on country, can protrude, can enter any country, or can search for. So option 1 and option 4 are only fit to the meaning, genuine meaning in the fill in the blanks, and other are not fit meaning wise, because protrude means increasing, and we are not discussing about leaving or searching for the weeds. We are discussing that they are entering our country. So reach and enter any are good to fit in the fill in the blanks, but there is no any used in reach. So enter any is most suitable grammatically. So option 4 is correct. In second question, in such cases dash their entry is difficult. So in such cases checking their entry is difficult, because we are discussing about stopping or blocking these pests or weeds. So meaning wise only option 3 and 5 is correct, but it is is used, so ing verb plus ing is used, so option 5 is correct. In third statement, however, when they land up at airport and dockyards in cargoes of imported grain or with items carried by tourists, the authorities should be able to dash them out. So it is a phrasal verb to weed anything out. It is a phrasal verb we use. So option second is correct here. So we are not discussing about to hide the weeds or to grow. It is not correct. To cultivated is also not correct. To filtered may be possible, but weed is the correct option because it forms a phrasal verb. Meaning of to weed anything out means to remove anything. In fourth problem, for this reason, countries have animals, plants, and health quarantine facilities at all trans-border entry points. Tanzania, however, seems to have let its guard dash late. So here also a phrasal verb is used. Let anyone guard down. Let anyone's guard down means to become less vigilant or less aware. So from the above paragraph we can also conclude that Tanzania is less vigilant or less aware about the weeds country entering into the country. So option 2 is correct. In next statement, it is difficult to establish how pest and weed are entering the country. What is dash is that there is no institutional mechanism to even probe these innovations. So, what is the thing which we cannot understand? This fill in the blanks. So, what is accountable? No. What is understandable? No. What is pleasing? No, it is not pleasing. What is efficient? No, it is not efficient. So what is inexplicable means what is unable to explain or what is not accountable. So option 3 is correct. What is inexplicable is that there is no institution mechanism even to probe these invasions. And this is also inexplicable that the concerned ministry has not dashed a single invasion till date, has not investigated. So that ministry did not investigated a single invasion till date. So for sixth problem, option 1 is correct. Next problems are from error detection. So direction is given. Read the sentence to find out whether there is an error. If there is an error, which will be one part of the sentence, the number corresponding to the part will be your answer. So which part have error? That is the answer. In first problem, several new business have come up recently due to the various schemes introduced by the government. Several new is used, so this should be the plural form, and have is also used with it, so it will not business, it is businesses. So option A is correct. In next one, if there is something you want to accomplish, then simply make a decision and do it rather than waited for the right time. So when rather than is used, the verb infinitive form is used, so waited is wrong. Option 4 is correct. In the place of waited, we can use wait to make this correct statement. Experts suggest that making work rewarding may mean rethinking the way company are led. If are is used, so company is singular form, it should be converted to the plural form. So option 4 is correct. We have error in fourth option. Company will be plural form, companies should be placed. Psychologist has done a considerable amount of research to assess the effectiveness of various strategies for behavior modification. So psychologists is plural, so has should be converted to have. Option 1 is correct. So that's all in this section. I will take some more problems in next videos. Stay connected and keep learning.